Hi, welcome. This is your 5 minute stretch routine. Perfect for the days you have very less time, but you also want to get that stretch for your body. Okay, with that, I want you to come into all fours. Allow yourself to just first feel connected. Even though you have 5 minutes, no need to rush. Just first ground yourself in this. Allow yourself to just feel present in this very present moment. Press the fingertips, take your right leg back and push that heel back. Push, pushing that heel back further, trying to reach to the floor. Slowly coming back, take your left leg back and push it. Use your breath to breathe into those calves. Reaching that heel down and release. We're going for cat and cow. Inhale, sink your chest down, head up. Exhale, round your back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Push back into child's pose. Allow yourself to just lengthen from that spine here and breathe. Take 2 breaths with me. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Round your back to shift all the way to the front. And arch your back to come all the way back. Slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae. Just one more time. Round your back. Shift all the way to the front. Arch your back. Shift all the way to the back. Coming back center. Bring your legs right in front of you. Keep the knees bent. Dropping into 90-90 stretch. Drop both the knees on the right side. Breathe. Tuck the tailbone in. And switch sides. It doesn't have to touch the floor. Wherever your body is today. Come back. Just dropping it 2 more times without hold. Come back. Take your legs slightly wide. Don't try to stretch too much, just a little bit. Keeping your hands in front of you. Maybe you want to sit on top of a cushion or a block. Hands on your waist. Round your back. Inhale, arch like you're doing a cat and cow. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. One last time. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Coming back here. I really like this next practice. It's called Chakki Chalni. So you take your arms straight in front of you and think of making a big circle. Yes, we can do this with the legs closer or wider, depending on where you can sit comfortably. 1, try to go as front as you can. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Get your legs back together. Come into all fours. Walk your arms to the front and sink your chest down. Breathe. Conscious breathing. Coming back into all fours. Come up with your right arm up on the side. Open. Breathe. Reach. Exhale, release, and change sides. Open and twist more. Open that chest. Slowly come back. Move your hips right and left. Right and left. Right, left, right, left. Coming onto your hips. Well, that's how much it takes for you to just show up and stretch. And I'm so glad you showed up today and joined me in this short routine. Hope you have a lovely day. Thank you.